This is the solar address sign. It comes with the solar panel and light. It comes with letters and numbers, so you can put them on your sign. Having these letters and numbers is totally customizable. We're gonna put it on my house here and see how it works. See, it comes with a template here. Now we can organize and place these letters and numbers nicely and neatly on here. I'm gonna put the 2 screws up there so we can mount the sign. So this solar address sign is very durable, also waterproof, dustproof, and it can withstand harsh conditions. It will automatically light up at dark. It will hold enough power to keep it lit for 12 hours. With this sign, it makes it easy for people to find your house or home in the dark, whether you're waiting for packages, food delivery, or anything else. We're gonna check it out tonight and see how it looks.